How you doing? This is Mario with Clean Cut Landscaping. Today we're in Metairie doing some landscape installation. Also, we're updating an existing sprinkler system that had an old box. I figured this would be a good time to show you how to make changes to your box. So this is a Rainbird box, which we believe they have the best products available. First off, open the door. There's your knob. When you're in automatic, you're just going to have the dial turned up. If you want it off, obviously turn it to off, it won't come on. Let's show you how to update the date and time. So right now we'll start with the date. So obviously it's flashing February 2nd. You can only make changes when items are flashing. So let's say it's the 1st. You go to the minus sign. You hit 1st. We know it's the 2nd. We'll go to the 2nd. Say it's March. You have to advance till you see the month flashing. And then what you can do is you can change that. Hit plus to go to March. We'll go back to February. Same thing with the year. Year's flashing, minus, plus, okay? We're all set there. So once that's all set, you'll take this, press the right arrow to, now you're gonna set the current time of the box. You can see the 11-ish flashing. You also gotta pay attention to the AM and PM. Let's say it's 10 AM, okay? You're just gonna hit minus, okay? But we know it's 11, so we're going to go to 11. Now we want to change the minutes. Now the minutes is flashing. Let's say it's 11:50. You go minus, okay? We'll go plus, go back to 53. So that's how you set the time and date. So you're good there. Let's go with start time. So you're going to go ahead and turn the box to start time, and you're going to see it says first start time 3 a.m. I prefer to have my systems come on at 3 a.m. Because you have less wind and the pressure is the best. But if you do want to change it while it's flashing, you go to plus and you're going to go 15-minute increments, okay? Go minus, we'll go back to 3. So whatever time you want it to come on, just hit the plus or minus while it's flashing and you're good to go. Now we're going to do station run times. So they either call them stations or zones. This particular system has 4 stations. Here it is, station 1 is flashing, you can make a change. Let's say it is April or May, things are getting a little hotter, plants are wilting, you need more water. You come in here while it's flashing, 1-minute increments, 11, 12, back it down. I think in the wintertime, 10 minutes is pretty sufficient. To go to the second station, go to second station, make your changes, go to third station, whatever you gotta do, just do it like that. Now, lastly, we have water days. Okay, let's turn the knob to water days. Water days is the days that it's actually going to come on. So when you look at this across the top, you see Monday through Sunday. You see these water droplets. The days that have a water droplet by itself means it's coming on. Obviously, the 2 days, which are Tuesday and Friday, have a circle around the water droplet with a line. That means it's not coming on. Let's say we want it to come on Friday. It's off right now. You're going to advance till you see it flashing. Remember, everything has to be flashing in order for you to make a change. Plus and minus is what you're going to do here. So plus is on. So if you see the plus, removes the line through the Friday. And let's say if you want Tuesday to be on, we're going to go ahead and back it up. And Tuesday is now flashing. I want it on. We're going to hit plus. So off is minus, on is plus. Let's go ahead and put Tuesday back to off. So I'm going to back it up. Tuesday's flashing. I'm going to hit minus. Let's go to Friday is flashing. Minus, we're off. So basically the water days are set. That's all you really need to know. This box has a lot more options to it. If you wanted to use it, I don't think it's necessary. I like to keep it simple. It'll do the job and keep your plants happy. So when you finish, make sure you turn the knob back to auto and your system will work properly. If you need any help with your sprinkler system, definitely give me a call at 504-415-1438. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.